In this lesson, we're going to take a look at using a keyboard shortcut to move quickly to our most previous edit. It's important to note that this will only take us to the most previous edit, and we cannot navigate back past that previous edit to the previous edit before that edit. Therefore, this is only useful in the most recent case. So let's see it in action and see how this might work to our advantage. Basically, we need to open up all of our files so that we have a lot of files open. Assuming we're working on a big project, this would not be uncommon. And let's go into the password data editor file, and let's just go into the constructor of that. And just to make this very simple, we'll simply add int x equals 32. Now let's assume that this is some magic number that we need to pass between the password data editor and some other file. So we start working on the other file for some reason, we open it up and we say, oh, I can't remember what my value is. Well, what is it? But then we can't even remember maybe exactly where it was in our code. Or maybe before we left this, we had scrolled way down. What might be the easiest thing to do in that case, if you quickly need to retrieve a value or something that you've just recently changed before you've changed anything else, is simply hit Control Q or Command Q if you're on a Macintosh. Now this will take you back to the previous edit, and we can see exactly where I was at that time. Again, this only works for the most previous edit. So let's scroll down again so that we're way out of place, and go into Program, and then let's change something down here. Now, if I hit Control Q, it will only bring me to this line, no matter how many times I hit it. So I can no longer go back to find that value. I can go back to the one that I just recently did, even if I had scrolled away from that as well. It will still take me back. But again, Control Q or Command Q is just a simple tool to very quickly go back to the most recent previous edit. And that wraps up our look at this command shortcut.